What's up, everybody? So, just giving a quick recap. We made money on that actual put option that we did. Made 12 bucks on it, just trying it out with that contract that we bought at 35 cents. We sold it at 50 cents, which was nice. And then day trading wise today, we made $237. I mainly made my money on ACAN. That was in the morning, and then I traded a little SQQ, which is I bought around here just 100 shares at a time. I kept scalping them during that PAL meeting. So we're doing pretty good. SQQ is down 10% today. Normally, I used to just take positions overnight and stuff, but I'm just going to sit and wait and watch it because after everything that happened with the Fed meeting, it looks like NASDAQ is bullish. So I'm going to try to go long on them tomorrow, hoping we get a pullback. Hopefully pull back to around like 333, 328 would be even better. And then just try to hold for some longs because it looks like the market really appreciates what Powell was talking about. It is basically going to the moon at this point. So if you look at it, even just 5 days ago, I mean, QQQ was down to 317, now up to 340. So a lot of volatility in these markets. Just trying to capitalize on what I possibly can. And I would say we're doing pretty decent, which is nice. Just keep the consistency going. And that's it. Tomorrow's another trading day. Just wanted to recap on it. And that put that I originally had, I was down 50% on it. And granted, I was just trying it because I don't normally do weekly expirations. But just on that alone, it was showing a, let me see here. It showed, it doesn't show where I sold it, but I was down 50%. So, I mean, there's only one contract, so it was only 36 bucks at the time. But then it switched to, but then it went back up and I just was able to sell it at a 30% gain. And that's pretty good. I mean, 30%, it just shows you that the money you possibly could make if you were just trading in that aspect. But I'd rather just trade shares strictly because it's difficult to kind of trade options for the liquidity as well. Plus, that's just not really my style. I'm not that good at it. But definitely a good day, up 237 today. It's nice to have that and just try to see where the market takes us now. Tomorrow, I feel a little more confident holding QQQ, and maybe I'll try to go for a better spread this time and try to get some bigger gains because it seems like the overall market opportunity, people are really feeling positive about this. But we'll see. Everything can change on any newscast. So, but that's it. I just want to give a quick recap. Made some money today, and that's really it. I think stocks that are worth mentioning. ACAM was that new recent IPO, and they're back down to $10. It's just wild, wild. They went from literally today from $9 back up to 18. Something to keep an eye on. Maybe it'll go back up. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna see if it's a SPAC because it's holding that 9 range, and I don't know if that's just because it was a SPAC and it's not allowed to go below that until it merges with a company. So I'll definitely do some research in it. ACAN, AKAN, definitely more riskier. Probably don't really want to day trade these, but it's definitely something to think about. But big day for PLTR going up. BABA was up 30% today. You know, I was gonna buy BABA the other day at 75, and I'm kind of kicking myself because now it's 100. But it is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it. Sometimes you think you're making the right move. You try not to buy, but then like all these stocks like Neo, $18 was just $13. All these companies are all coming back now. So we'll see. Maybe that was just the big correction